Hey, what's up, guys? This is Gus. So right now I have the Ring floodlight cam. I'm gonna install it over my garage door, and it's gonna be pretty bright. I wanted something to see my vehicles. I got to run power to it. It's kind of an unboxing, which is what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of looking at the video cam or at the Ring cam, how it looks. Kind of taking out some parts here right quick, just getting a view. So the reason why I went with Ring Cam and the floodlight cam on this one instead of another setup is because I have a doorbell ring and a few other Ring products that I really enjoy. It actually wasn't too hard to install. The parts that it came with it are pretty self-explanatory. I mean, it gives you a little instruction book right here on how to how to set it up. It gives you a website that you can go to, and it'll kind of give you instructions on how to do it. I figured I'd do a video out of it. You also got the little sticker here that you can put on your window that says, "Hey, protected by Ring," and that's your installation kit. It's got a little hook that you hook up the silver piece to the octagon box. I got I guess a gray one. There's a screwdriver. The same thing that came with the doorbell ring if you have it. Some wire nuts and a little hook. The hook is what you're going to actually use when you connect it in to the spot that you're hooking up to. That way when it floats it and you're doing your wire nutting, it does not damage or fall. Because I was about 20 feet in the air when I did this shot. Here coming up on the next one. There's a warning label there. You're supposed to unscrew these little wing nuts. To unscrew it was simple. The actual other part that holds the lights, I had to get an Allen wrench, or actually not an Allen wrench, I'm sorry, a pair of pliers so I could unscrew it. It was really tight. I kind of damaged the finish of it, and well, I mean, that's what happens. But you can pretty much set this thing almost upside down, to be honest with you. I did set it that way. I actually flipped it the other way whenever I placed it against the box. That part there where I'm messing with right now was super tight. That's where I had to grab the pair of pliers and unscrew it. So there's a pair of pliers, and to this portion here, I couldn't wrap my fingers around it so I could loosen it up, so I had to actually kind of damage it, and you can see right there where I kind of scratched it up. I was thinking, I said righty tighty, lefty loosey. I mean, I was doing all that stuff. I was like, oh, I gotta do something wrong here. That's why I grabbed a pair of pliers. And once I had it set up the way I wanted to look at my house, I kind of tightened everything up. You tighten these little two portions here, and you want to keep them a little bit loose. That way you can maneuver it and place it in the spot that you want. But I kind of had an idea of what I wanted because I was up there a little while ago. And then this is everything that I have for it. The silver box is the octagon that I did not use. That one there, I didn't use that one. I ended up using the gray box, this one here, and I bought some extra pieces so I could cover up the holes, the screw holes. I didn't know that it came with some already, so oh well. And then you screw this into the actual box. You want to make sure that the down is facing down like on a video. That way whenever you have water rain drown, water comes out that outlet. I used Tapcon screws in the back, and I put some silicone. The Tapcon screws, I use some anchors so it'll hold in place, and it's pretty tight. There's really not much. It's not going to go anywhere. Once I got it going, that hook, that black hook next to the W in the end, that's what's holding the piece together. And I'm telling you, I'm about 20 feet in the air. And this is why I ran the power to. I just found an outlet in the attic, and I ran it through the back. I pulled the whole thing out. And please turn the power off before you do this. I am not an electrician by any means necessary, but I know basic knowledge of electricity and how not to be unsmart about it, and I did not want to get shocked, so I turned everything off. This is why I had my spotlight on my head. And once I connected it and placed it, it worked.
All right, so here's the doorbell app. I have the lights on. Watch this, I'm gonna turn them off. They turn off. I move the little switch over here, turn it on. Lights come on. Get in the siren. You guys want to activate? There it goes. I'll just turn it back off by pressing the siren button on the deal. The live view. And that's me.
What's up, guys? So final thoughts on the Ring Floodlight Cam. I love this thing. It is awesome. The video quality, the 1080p, it's amazing. Internet speed wise, I'd say no less than a 24 megabyte per second service. So if you can go faster or more bandwidth, please do. It will help out with the playback features. Look, this thing is super simple. My wife has always hated the security cameras that I've used, some of the other name brands, and she's like, I just can't use it with the app. It's really hard to go through and filter out what I want to watch. It's easier when you actually use the device itself, use the mouse, and go through all the settings. With this Ring setup, there's an application, super easy to use. I mean, it's for my wife, who is very untech savvy. Guys, this is thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Actually, I stand behind all the Ring products. I'm not a sponsor. I'm not being sponsored by them by any means necessary. I really enjoy the products. It's really good for the family because you can, you have a full 360 view of the house, and if you get the security system with it, you get a keypad, a alarm. It's super loud. Oh, and this thing does have a siren, which you saw in the video. The other ones, like the stick-up cams and indoor cams, also have sirens to them. But anyways, guys, it's my 2 cents on it. I'd stand by them. If you want to get some and you want to help, if you want help with it, I really can't help you install it, but I can kind of tell you what I did, which is what I showed in the video. Guys, good product. All right, you guys have a good day. Thank you for watching this video. I know it was a little long, but I really wanted to get the product out there and show it. All right, see you later.